Ever wonder kung bakit mabilis na uubos ang pera? Kasasahod mo lang wala na. Ang sabi sa Proverbs chapter 21 verse 20, "The wise store up choice food and olive oil, but fools gulps their down." Ang Bible teaches us that wisdom isn't just about spiritual, but also financially prepared. Ang wise na tao, nag-iimpok bago gumastos. Simulan mo yan sa 10 to 20% rule. Halimbawa, kada sahod, you save first. Kung ang kita mo ay 1,000 pesos, get 20% para sa savings at ang 80% naman nito ay para sa expenses. Kahit 50 pesos or 100 pesos na ipon per day, become your financial shield. If you learned from this video, share mo na agad ito or follow It's Raining Wins for more winning tips. See you sa next video. Bye!